I am Dr. Nidhi Khare. Students, in the series Contemporary Organizational Designs, I discussed about the concept of matrix organization with you. Now, today I am going to talk about the advantages and disadvantages of this form of organizational design. Now, using the matrix structure as opposed to product departments may increase communication and cooperation among departments because project managers will need to coordinate their actions with department managers. In fact, research shows that matrix structure increases the frequency of informal and formal communication within the organization. Matrix structures also have the benefit of providing quick responses to technical problems and quick responses to customer demands as well. The existence of a project manager keeps the focus on the product or service that is being provided. But despite these potential benefits, matrix structures are not without cause. In a matrix, each employee reports to at least 2 or more managers. In other words, we can say that the matrix organization violates the unity of command principle that is often prevalent in traditional organizations. In organizations with unity of command, each person reports to a single manager. As a result, communication flows through predictable lines and coordination is easier. But because matrix organizations do not follow unity of command, this is a situation ripe with conflict. Because multiple managers are in charge of guiding the behavior of each employee, there may be power struggles or turf wars among managers. The managers are more interdependent compared to a traditional or product-based structure, and they will need to spend more effort coordinating their work. From the employee's perspective, there is potential for interpersonal conflict with team members as well as with leaders. The presence of multiple leaders may create role conflict. The necessity to work with a team consisting of employees with different functional backgrounds increases the potential for task conflict at work. Solving these problems will require a great deal of patience and proactivity on the part of the employee. The matrix structure is used in many information technology companies engaged in software development. See the example of a matrix structure for an IT company presented here. Now, as you can see in this example of a matrix structure at a software development company, business analysts, developers, and testers each report to a functional department manager and to a project manager simultaneously. Now let's see another example here. Nike is another company that utilizes the matrix organization successfully. New product introduction is a task shared by regional managers and product managers. While product managers are in charge of deciding how to launch a product, regional managers are allowed to make modifications based on the region. So I hope students, the advantages, disadvantages and usage of the matrix form of structure is clear to you. Now in the next lecture, I'm going to have a discussion on, you must have heard about the widespread use of matrix structures and similar organizational forms. And you may find that you are reporting to multiple bosses as opposed to just one. Now I'm going to discuss what you can do here in this situation to make the situation work more smoothly for everyone involved. Please give a thought to this problem and I'm going to take this in detail. Thank you.